Hey everyone, today we're exploring a crucial subject, managing uric acid naturally through diet. So what exactly is uric acid? It's a waste product found in the blood, created when the body breaks down chemicals known as purines. High levels of uric acid can lead to gout, a type of arthritis that causes painful joint inflammation. Before we get into it, I have included a bonus remedy. Solaray Total Cleanse Uric Acid from iHerb is a dietary supplement aimed at supporting healthy uric acid levels to help prevent conditions like gout. It contains ingredients that promote kidney function, maintain balanced uric acid levels, and offer anti-inflammatory support to reduce joint pain. Key ingredients include cherry extract, celery seed extract, and turmeric. Consulting a healthcare professional before use is recommended, especially for those with pre-existing health conditions or on medications. I have linked Solaray Total Cleanse Uric Acid from iHerb below. The good news is that you can manage uric acid levels naturally by including certain foods in your diet. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about cherries. These delicious fruits are not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a powerful ally in reducing uric acid levels. Cherries are packed with vitamin C, which is known to play a critical role in lowering uric acid. Studies have shown that people who consume cherries or cherry extract regularly have fewer gout attacks and lower uric acid levels. You can snack on them fresh, add them to your morning yogurt, or even blend them into a smoothie. They're versatile and can be incorporated into many meals, so go ahead and make cherries a staple in your fruit bowl. Next on our list are apples. Apples contain malic acid, which helps to neutralize uric acid in the body. Malic acid works by making the body more alkaline, thereby reducing the formation of uric acid crystals that can lead to gout. Incorporating apples into your daily diet is easy and convenient. You can eat them raw, add them to your salads, or even bake them as a healthy dessert. Apples are also rich in fiber, which helps to support overall digestive health. Make sure to keep apples on your grocery list. Moving on, let's talk about celery. Celery is a natural diuretic, which means it helps your body get rid of excess fluids, including uric acid. When your body is able to flush out uric acid more efficiently, it decreases the likelihood of it crystallizing in your joints. You can eat it raw with some hummus, add it to your salads, or even juice it. Celery juice has become quite popular for its numerous health benefits, including its ability to aid in detoxification and reduce inflammation. Its high water content also helps keep you hydrated, which is another important factor in managing uric acid levels. So, whether you're snacking on celery sticks or sipping on celery juice, your body will thank you. Now let's sweeten things up with some berries. Berries, especially strawberries and blueberries, are packed with antioxidants that can help reduce uric acid levels. Antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting your cells from damage and reducing inflammation, which is often associated with high uric acid levels and gout. You can add them to your morning cereal, blend them into smoothies, or simply enjoy them as a snack. The variety of berries available means you can mix and match to keep things interesting and flavorful. Aside from their uric acid lowering properties, berries are also rich in vitamins and minerals that support overall health. So be sure to stock up on berries during your next grocery run. Let's move on to citrus fruits, like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits. These fruits are not only refreshing, but also loaded with vitamin C, which is essential for reducing uric acid levels. Vitamin C helps the kidneys excrete more uric acid, thereby lowering its levels in the blood. Including citrus fruits in your diet can be as simple as having a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice in the morning, or adding lemon slices to your water. In addition to their uric acid lowering benefits, citrus fruits are also great for boosting your immune system. Make citrus fruits a regular part of your diet and enjoy their tangy goodness. Next up is green tea, a beverage that has been cherished for centuries for its numerous health benefits. Green tea contains catechins, which are antioxidants that have been shown to reduce uric acid levels and improve overall kidney function. A healthy kidney function is crucial for effectively excreting uric acid from the body. Drinking green tea is a simple way to incorporate these benefits into your daily routine. Try having a cup in the morning or afternoon. Green tea is not only beneficial for uric acid levels, but also for your overall health. So why not make green tea a part of your daily ritual? Moving on to olive oil, a staple in many kitchens around the world. Olive oil is rich in healthy fats, specifically monounsaturated fats, that help reduce inflammation and subsequently lower uric acid levels. The anti-inflammatory properties of olive oil can be particularly beneficial for those suffering from gout. Using olive oil in your cooking is easy and versatile. You can use it for sautéing vegetables, as a base for salad dressings, or even drizzled over cooked dishes for added flavor. In addition to its uric acid lowering properties, olive oil is also great for heart health. So next time you're cooking, reach for the olive oil and enjoy its many benefits. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about water. Staying hydrated is one of the most effective ways to help your body flush out excess uric acid. When you're well hydrated, your kidneys can function more efficiently, which aids in the excretion of uric acid. Make it a habit to drink plenty of water throughout the day. A good rule of thumb is to aim for at least 8 8-ounce glasses daily. Hydration is key not just for managing uric acid levels, but for overall health. So keep that water bottle handy and make sure you're drinking enough each day. And there you have it, folks. Those are the top 8 foods that can help you naturally reduce uric acid levels. By making small adjustments to your diet and incorporating these foods, you can manage your uric acid levels more effectively and potentially avoid the painful symptoms of gout. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more health tips and tricks, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.